Hey, Will here. So, do you want to profit from Halloween this year? It's coming up very fast. The timing is critical. If you want to, you need to have products up and running right now. So the way that I'm doing it is I'm going to be using Etsy and I'm going to be using print on demand in order to get products up there that people are buying. So I'm going to walk you through a couple that people are buying right now, and I'm going to give you an option to actually get you profitable too. So if you go here, first of all, let's look at how many sellers are, or how many buyers are on Etsy right now. There's about, this is old, 81.9 million active buyers on Etsy. And when they go to Etsy, you know what they're looking for? Right now, they're looking for this stuff. So if I go here, looking for Halloween products. So Halloween, let's just type that in. People are going here typing this like crazy. They're buying sweatshirts, they're buying decorations, they're buying shirts, they're buying PNG files, like little image files. They're buying decoration, wreaths, costumes, earrings, tumblers, everything, you name it, they're buying it. So if we look at this page, we can see that there's a whole bunch of products on here that they're buying right now. And I'm just going to use my little analytics tool here. You can get this too. Go to ppc-coach.com/everby and you can get this tool. And what it does is it actually breaks down what's selling right now on Etsy. And the cool part is we can see all the information, like the titles, the tags, everything else. I'm just going to minimize this for a second because it'll take a minute to run. Oh, it is running now. But we can look through this and see, here's one, dancing skeleton sweater, 489 sales. I can search by estimated total sales and I can sort it. So there's Spooky Pals Halloween. So let's look at this one. Well, it's like a pumpkin, I don't know what that is, a dog. So somebody probably drew that, I imagine. There's a better shot of it. But you can make something similar to that very easily. It's got 705 reviews, which is crazy. So if I take my little thing, just to verify the numbers that I'm getting from my spy tool. So let's go 705, and let's assume that 15% are, whoa, 4,700 buyers. So this could be an influencer, it could be something like that. But selling at $49, let's just work that out here. Oops. Butterfingers, so 4,700 times 49. Wow, 230,000. So something's going on with this. It's got to be an influencer. I don't know how else that would be. Housing care for mistreated and unwanted exotic animals. Okay, so it's like probably a not-for-profit, I imagine. Anyway, they have 74 products and they're kicking butt. So that's just one. We can go back here and look at others too. Here's another one. Ha. I smell children. $12.59. 541 reviews. My spy tool is saying it's got about 2,795 sales. If we even look at that at $12.59, let's look at this. What was it? 2,795. 35,000 on this one. I could easily make this like in a heartbeat without any problems at all, and you could too. So this is kind of what I'm going to be doing and what I'm going to be teaching people how to do in my Etsy and Halloween Profits Challenge on my group coaching forum. So if you want to learn how you can create your own Etsy shop and you can actually market these products and make some money, I'm going to show you how. There's secrets to Etsy that a lot of people don't talk about. I've got about 6 of them. Well, actually, I got about 10 of them that I reveal in my training here. And if you go to my site, ppc-coach.com, that's actually my forums. We're getting ahead of ourselves. Let's go back here. You can join too. So what I'm doing is, if you want to profit on Etsy this Halloween, I will teach you how. And basically, click that button, get instant access. As of the time of this shooting, the next live training starts pretty soon, in like 2 days. So you click that, you enter your name and email. So I'll just do this for you. And then you'll be taken to the page where you can sign up. You can join the forums, and it's only $1 for 7 days, so it's super cheap. If you want to see the forums, let's go into here. You'll see the group coaching program is right here. So you can see there is a lot of activity going on. This is challenge number 37, and a challenge is just, it's a live course. That's all it is. So this is challenge number 37. We just completed challenge number 36. which was Etsy and print on demand. But this is more, challenge number 36 is kind of like how to set things up on Etsy and get things going. I'm going to cover that again, but I'm really going to dive into the Halloween angle for Etsy coming up in the next challenge. So you can see there's a lot that you get access to. Every one of these challenges has a minimum of 3 one-hour training sessions in them, going all the way back to September 2019. And then the next one coming up is Etsy and Christmas. So now is the time to make a lot of money online. When you come into the forums, you'll go here, and every one of them has a read me first, like a sticky thread, it's called, super easy to navigate. Hello and welcome. What's the current challenge? It's number 37, Etsy and Halloween. So in there, you click it, you'll find the sticky thread. You click here to register for all the live training sessions, and then I'll do them. And as they're done, I'll post the replays right inside this thread too. So if you want to see the previous one, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. There it is. So this was Etsy and print on demand, and you can see there are 3 live training sessions. Each one was a little bit over an hour long, and that's what we do. We have training and support for you. So go to ppc-coach.com, join now, get in on the group coaching program, and this month it's all about Etsy and it's all about Halloween. So I can show you how to profit, how to find those winners, how to do really well. The old way on Etsy, where you just launch like 5,000 different products and hope and pray you get a sale, that doesn't really work anymore. We've got systems in place that actually get you sales fast, and it's a lot of secrets. And the secrets I spill right inside my group coaching program. So join now, I'll see you in there. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Have a great day.